Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: a connected device, updated browser or Google app, and your Google address or phone. First, open accounts. Google.com or tap Sign in the app. This starts the secure flow. Enter your email or phone, then press Next. You do this first to load the right account settings and security prompts. Once done, Google will present the password field or recovery options. Make sure to use the address tied to the account you want. Now you enter your password. Type carefully or paste from a manager to avoid lockouts. If Google asks, complete two-step verification, tap the prompt, enter the SMS code, or supply the authenticator code. Why this matters: it reduces account takeover risk significantly. Once authenticated, Google may ask to review recovery info or accept new device access. Scan those prompts and adjust settings. Make deliberate choices, for example, only select Stay signed in on devices you control. After signing in, you'll land in your Google dashboard. Take a moment to confirm connected devices and recovery options. This step prevents future lockouts. If you get an error, use the recovery link to request a code to your recovery email or phone. Follow the guided prompts. One key troubleshooting tip: if sign-in fails repeatedly, clear cache or open an incognito window and retry, because stale cookies often cause authentication glitches. If that still fails, try another device or contact Google support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.